Hello everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. And with this tutorial I want to teach you how to make this cup cozy thinking on Jack's skeleton. And also we already have the tutorial thinking on Frankenstein, and also I will share with you later this cup cozy like pumpkin. I hope you like it and you want to do it, so let's see the materials. We will use just two colors yarn. In my case, I will use Symphonia brand yarn. Is 100% cotton yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. Remember, you can use whatever yarn that you prefer, but depend on the yarn, maybe you need change just a little the pattern on the cover. And also, you can buy this yarn with us on our website GretaWings.com. This one and more yarns. Then we will use white colored yarn for the cover, and Oxford is like gray, almost black colored yarn for the mouth and eyes. For this yarn I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. We will need scissors, pins, wool needle, and that's it. This is all the material, so if you are ready, let's start making the cozy. Using white colored yarn, we will start on round 1 with a slip knot, and after that 40 chains. When we already have 40 chains, we will make one slip stitch on the first chain. Later, one chain, just 2 up, and we will make 18 single crochet taking the back loops only, and at the same time we can hide the thread. The next chain, the first single crochet taking the back loops only. 1 single crochet, 2, and also you can see how I made the single crochet in a form of V. But if you want to make the single crochet in a form of X, you can also do it. Then we need 18 single crochet, and this is the result after 18 single crochet. From round 2 to 58, we will start each round with 1 chain, turn, and 18 single crochet taking the back loops only. This one is the first point, not in the chain. The next point, taking the back loop, the first single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet taking the back loops only until we are 18 and finish this round, and repeating the same from round 3 to 58. Or depend of the yarn that you use, or depend of your cup. If it's the different size, you need make less single crochet and more or less round. Depend of the size. You can change very easy. Then, my case with 58 rounds is okay. I'm already finished and this is the result. And for finish completely, we will make 22 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing chains until we are 22. After 22 chains, 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet on the last round. And that's it. You can cut this yarn, leaving enough yarn just for secure and hide it. And after that, we will start with the details. This is the result. And we will make 2 equal eyes using Oxford colored yarn. Is some gray but almost black colored yarn. Also, you can use black colored yarn, but for show you on the tutorial, this one will be better. Then we will start on round 1 with a magic rain and 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic rain Put some mark if you think that is necessary, not for me, but maybe you need it. Then on round 2, working in a spiral, 6 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have the first increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. On round 3, we will start with 1 single crochet, and after that 1 increase. And we will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase all around 6 times in total, and we will finish this round with 18 points. When you finish the round 3, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for close using a wool needle and for secure. And pay close attention, and you can see how I made that. Then I'm already finished the second eyes, and remember we need 2 equal eyes, and here I share with you the subtitles and you can repeat again for the second eyes. And now pay close attention, and you can see where I put the eyes, and also you can see how I embroider the mouth and the nose. Pay close attention, everything is very easy. Then we are ready to put this cup cozy on our cup. I really like this project because it's easy, fast to make. I love that. And that's it. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? We will make another design thinking of Halloween. Then I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next design. Bye bye.